The most important hardware affecting render speed in Blender is the graphics card. With a good graphics card, you can get faster renders without your projects crashing. There are some important points to consider in this regard. Graphics card RAM is very important for Blender. Buying an older generation graphics card with high RAM will significantly affect your render speed rather than buying a new one with low RAM. Otherwise, you will encounter the system is out of GPU memory error. There is, of course, a solution to this error, reducing the memory tile size. This allows you to render by dividing the grid, but it increases the rendering time. This is acceptable if you are rendering large, time-consuming architectural or realistic projects, but it will increase your rendering time for quick jobs and animations. The second thing to consider is the graphics card brand. There are two acceptable options here, AMD and NVIDIA. NVIDIA is far ahead of its competitors. The most logical choice here is NVIDIA. Looking at the Blender benchmark rankings, we can see Apple's processor as the biggest competitor. Unfortunately, AMD falls short in terms of rendering. Furthermore, if DLSS is added to Blender, there will be a significant speed increase, and this technology is only available on NVIDIA. The year of the graphics card is quite important. For rendering performance, you must check the hardware benchmark tests on the Blender website. For example, the prices of the 5060 Ti and 4070 Ti are close, but the 4070 Ti renders 40% faster. Currently, the graphics card offering the best performance for its price for Blender is the RTX 5070 Ti. With 16 gigabytes and an average price, it's the most attractive option. What graphics card are you considering purchasing? If you're undecided, let's discuss it in the comments.